I'm sure you've heard the news. Cats are secretly running the world. And mine just took over my office. Here's why my work from home setup is basically a cat playground. Picture this. I open my laptop, ready to crush some emails, and bam! My cat appears out of thin air and plants herself right on the keyboard. She stares at me like, go ahead, try typing, I dare you. Suddenly my screen is filled with messages like, meow. Sorry boss, the cat says your meeting can wait. And don't get me started on her productivity tips, which are basically nap on important documents, chase the mouse, the cursor, not the real thing, and demand snacks every 5 minutes. Anyone else got a work-from-home cat assistant who thinks she's the CEO? Let me know in the comments and tell me your cat's best keyboard moment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow cat people, because let's be honest, the cats are watching.